Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a special drawing tutorial. It is our 300th video. So congratulations, yeah, we did it. We posted 300 videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some numbers, and I'm gonna do kind of like puffy numbers that look like balloons. And we're gonna add a little tiny elephant at the bottom that's holding these balloons. So grab a sheet of paper and let's get started. I will also include a free digital download of all the numbers. So if you want to do your own numbers, you can go download it. The link's in the description below. Click on that link and download all of the numbers. Then you can do whatever number that you want. All right. We're going to start with the number 3. So I'm just going to do a balloon puffy number 3. So we're going to go like this, like a U type of shape, a C shape. We're going to come up and round this over here. This will be the middle of the 3, and then we'll come down and we'll do the opposite shape here. So we're going to come down, up, and then we'll do this shape upside down over here like that. And then we will hook this all the way down like this, and then we're going to stop right about here because we're going to have a 0 that's right in here. So we'll hook this top part of the 3 over and we'll stop right about there. Hey guys, we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year, so please help us out and click that subscribe button down below. We really appreciate it. Thanks. So we'll start about here. I'll come down like this, kind of cut through, and then we'll complete the 0 on this side. Just like that. And then in the middle, we'll have a smaller, and I'm trying to keep the same thickness all the way around, like that. And then down here, and as we come up over here, we'll have about the same kind of thickness, like that. So there's our 3, 0, and then we'll do one more 0, and then this 0 is going to be behind this one. So we'll just start from about here, and I'm going to kind of tilt this 0. So this one is in this position. This one over here, I'm going to tilt a little bit over there, so they look like they're kind of floating and bobbing up and down different positions. So we'll kind of come over, and I'll try to do the same width over here. All right, so we'll kind of come down. This will come over like this, and if you drew a line this way and then you came down, you can kind of go like that and then meet back up over there, and then we'll do the same in the center. We'll just draw a smaller circular shape for the middle of our 0, like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some highlights. So we're going to put some highlights. So just have these like little round shapes that are going to be kind of like white. And they're all going to be on the top corner. So if our light's coming from the left, we'll have all these highlights on the left sides of our balloon numbers. So we're going to have some highlights there, and then we're going to do one right over here in this corner, like that. And then this side right here is going to catch a little bit of that highlight. So we'll hook this over and we'll do a highlight about like that. And then we'll do similar shapes over here on this 0, like that. And then one maybe be a little bit longer here, and like that. So there's our 300. Now we'll do a little elephant at the bottom. So right over here, these are all connected to each other, but right over here, we'll create the little tiny balloon area where you fill the balloon in. So we'll do these 2 sideways U shapes. We'll hook them down, and then we'll connect them together at the bottom. So that's where you kind of blow into it to kind of inflate your balloon. And then from here, you'll have like some string that wraps around it a couple times. And then that string's gonna kind of come down. And then we're gonna have a little elephant over here. So what I'll do with the elephant shape is I'm gonna do the ear first. So I'm gonna draw a curve that's almost like the start of the number 2. And we'll keep hooking this up a little bit. Then over here, where this meets right here, we'll create the top of the head. So we'll come up and then down, and then this is going to be the forehead. And right about here, we're gonna, right where the ear ends there, we'll hook this back up and do a little tiny snout. And then we'll kind of follow that shape back like this, and this will kind of curve over like that. We can create a little eyeball over here with a little eyelid, eyebrow shape. Then we'll draw a curve shape down like this. This will be the front leg, so we'll do a leg right there. We'll come up just a little bit, and then we'll create the belly like that. And then we'll come down again, and we'll line up with this foot here. We'll do another foot back there. And then we'll have this leg, the back of the leg's gonna come up and curve slightly, and then we'll create the high knee shape, and we'll come over and we're going to stop right about here where the ear is. All right, so don't go too high, and we'll stop right about there. And then we'll do a little tiny tail that has like this little shape at the end of it. And there's our little elephant. And if you want to put like a little ground line, you can draw some like grass. Okay, so we're gonna color the balloons in, and I'm gonna use some markers, and what I have here are 3 different colors. You guys can pick whatever colors you want. I went with 2 shades of green. I have like these yellows, kind of like gold colors. So I wanted to have some like kind of cool gold balloons, and then and some purples. But if you guys want to do blues, reds, oranges, any other color, feel free to pick 2 colors that are close together that you can create some like shadow lines to it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and color this in and speed up the video so you guys can follow along. Thanks to every one of you guys that has watched our video tutorials. Please like our channel above right here, and then subscribe to it. I do videos every single day. That way you won't miss any single one of them. Thanks a lot for getting us this far, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.